and tampe fra and I go force no
okay
the topic yeah the be demonstration probably on the abre
okay
topic yeah be demonstration only
okay
go force is the light of Tarkwa.
Okay.
If go force goes off, Tarkwa will go off.
Wow. Go fails is the light of Tarkwa. If go fails goes off, Tarkwa will go off. Wow, what a nice
demonstration. We reach on the demonstration. I do a bed then.
Obebado.
Yes, I'm a friend. Don't have some point of message. I
know dear. Oh, my friend. Oh, my Messiah. Problem be new. Okay.
You best go faithful so.
Okay.
Them it's now. I'm the many ban castle. And to Mr. Hon, Momo Bia and Jamano fan could be for many a ban direct. President man.
Only a buying never Cassasia. Okay.
There. Jumedina go for Radio Wahan. Or Jumedia or Boataquafuma or Boataquanca. American Juma go for I am attack one day and sort of a hanko. By a mum. A pede example Kakribi.
Okay.
Echo a Pinto Hospital. Maternity ward no go for no see. Now the other time cramo home maybe also about when they brought a brain or ochimo no be catching a go first no see that okay there hey go first okay go first happen and buy no that for me and pay with the power and pay with now but then pay Tarkwa say I'm here who ye and support you I'm sorry and tie honorable on demonstration or the banichi against a banner or the how be brave or be brave Tarkwa for because woman is so because in the
na number chop brawai okay
eba new atma boa minim say nim what that man be for alcohol only maybe a hotel go or go force as at America say me brother na kaso ken o say na ka internal road is important of go force for one then now so go force warrior from Budo City to Bugoso Junction. If you don't want to from crack access Bugoso Junction no because of oil na na way of it is on the way in pavement in my hand because pavement blocks no way then yeah can na no point simple no oji tum dam pa obeyame empe we na hona pa na sisia ye peno enti me ye ne aban de ne nkontokwa but e mo ye catch it there obema local contractor ba kroma na enta kwa fumpo ye mani pa kono kwan monye adwuma ye mani pa kono kwan mo mfa ne machine kra machine mfa nko hono say local contractors na ho hono no say look at no Tarkwa for no another Ghana for no yepe abendada na hwana na ma de nembe na obra bedi
okay
odo me di kan bisa yem go for sabet na asasi for 30 good years dwumedi a we di Tarkwa kro
go for is bad Tarkwa 30 good years
30 good years
wow
was started underground mpapa ye dwuma underground da na ehwe dwumedi a go for si di Tarkwa ha hwe ekro bi ti de huni so pepesa Tebe Bedu Krum Wangara Krum Shada me area sambobo no sebi produce ase na ebe kan kola so onye go for sa abedwuma na owo ho no ma farmers na wo betimi wo ba wo de wona ko university wona ka so obefra wa kan wona no mu ahe no betimi wo ba wo de wona ko university so onye go for sa and e ko huni so a ye wo graduate akese wo ho no eko wo friend pepesa tebe ku na America no eko ko hwe tebe ho no ma na wo catch the graduate wo tebe ho a no the go force no why e bia me na
okay
ko brabe stadium if stadium ni mponti stadium ni mponti no de Tarkwa fu nyina ye sorry gina hwe da nango road na nango post office so ye kwa na oda ho no
okay
go force no obeye enti obande go force fu obinimu jiranchare kada yempam homo wonko a na ihe na ye etimemu no yetina ho na ye de yensa hye hende no femi do mfa ye ho a na ihe na kasa no ye boni aye me ba me tie wo call abi kase na o se go face for mo wonko but o kasa me hu do ye ndisi no sande o kasa ya ka de emle ochia
honorable MP
Den Ladi
yes
ochia honorable Den Ladi which is o ye ndisi ni mereka ni pi akache o de nipa bia ba be gina ho no ogbe no na ka de go face nko bia no on Tarkwa ye
won nkofo bia wo mo mpese ompese go face ko a mo ye politicians
pa
e wo kro imu
on de wo bebri even the other time America dem wo family bi
ai
ye ba madu bia
ye ba so
me catch on plane they will be over radio that can go first must go bia no nipa ko no on Takwa your mambo na nitiri me again
e bia na nipa no so hu ade ago feels ayo
I don't know who na mama kwanya na mbobo bi
okay
say e kwande mama kwanya na mbobo bi em de ko funde mo radio to course na ya
mpacho radio so 20 min peke ko onti min peke ko enti mo man nkasa ye be mama kwan ya mama fra brem ai ye be mama kwan okay ebia na obi nim me say ade ago last time ai ora razak ye de ne ba studio wa say okay can be na nkofo kra so mu nim say sa nyama we go feel squad na ye de enti na sometimes am say media engagement na wunya pa mbacho yonko
aba no awudua me dinka na awudua krom awudua early childhood development center Mofama kakrama banana wa umfofo wonu local school only school that go first no wosi
wow
2005 asem na America you how many years no almost 21 years ni anamoboa yes was also a city teachers quarters what the car eho e the mahon e wo awodua ho construction of ICT center e wo awodua ho 209 construction of 3 classroom block at Awudia, directly everyone that fan worrying in Bano, all the schools in the day, or they come 208.
Okay.
Yabra 210. Rehabilitation of Awudia Road 210. Eba 211. Construction of hand dark valve fitted with pumps.
Wow.
Ewa Awudia ho, choje wa mo nsu. Ewa Awudia ho. Yes, yempe we ne pa bade. Ale ne we was aso be hu den super wo tuna no wode wonsa wode bunu. O se what's answer why insulation be the mohon no sisi politics nti akwa wodua politics will be obi ani fie nsu ko ho fra wodua na bisa das American momboa awodua de porodoso awodua road phase 1 rehabilitation of awodua road rehabilitation of awodua farms road installation of politics ma ka ho asema na meboa awodua pepesa bridge project rehabilitation of awodua road construction of Pristia Bridge phase 1 your bridge kakakemu o awudia na say wotimi ya da me bridge ni ya etrape no Pristia ni enti say ade da be family da ko fa go so ansa na akọ si asatam no ka so we wie enti no say pa da ko awudia Pristia si e fa awudia pe
obetumi akọ okay
na me kebi nka me sa so ko different community say do so pa we so wonderful ndere mam time kakra
ai okay enti ebusia honorable
municipal project one was one municipal project we municipal project
ai na me se mebusa se aban no so de a omoye no
the first one make can cry catchment communities there na me boss but Takwa for more Takwa was one the Takwa de what shut down we because we dey area dem fa so dey Takwa for ye nya ye nim no
Takwa no okay
na pede make ho asem kakra
okay
construction of Tarkwa government hospital mortuary the mortuary no si honum na se bi won na wako create wo hye won mortuary no si honum no oye
go face for
na oye ho adwuma construction of ya primary school medical equipment supply to Tarkwa government hospital in collaboration with project which is Cure Africa Tarkwa and purchase of books for the children's section of the Tarkwa district library. In the library, what the books what the call construction of 2-unit classroom block. A women training center. I bet a woman training center in our high area or the area.
Okay.
And a construction of a 2-unit classroom block at Tarkwa Catholic JHS A school. Ewo Tarkwa here 204 enti Roman school honum no obesi school dan ewo na kwa hospital catchment community ho on serve Tarkwa nyara Roman school one wa ko Roman school akese for papa wa ko Roman school no
okay
construction of maternity block at Tarkwa government hospital na meka ho asem then ma me no ka any surgery o ka go full sipe no way empe we na pa bade
okay
construction of teachers quarters Tarkwa here. Construction of district education office block. A construction of 2-unit block for UMAT, geological engineering laboratory. Assistance to UMAT for the construction of geological engineering laboratory phase 2 ni nyina ho na waye enti obano go for say apomponisu krapo no wakokotu nsu apomponisu amon apomponisu wo Temre Bay area hono mu enti go for so won dwumedi a we didi abo atakwa kroma de ka yele ka oye bebre oye bebre na nsen that was last year was a free health screening. Oye no ni watwabo the whole Tarkwa obi aba ni watwabo nduru posanso po brodo
wow
dam ko fu yenye wondem biem na yes the America secret actual te wo handle edwuma dem adama no that time na go for what man no madam for scholarship nti wo nyina no wo bom kra baba interview e wo Tarkwa go force na what twi wo ho dama go force for twi wo ho wo dama no obi o Fred Amafo na bisa ho dem se DC o ma won scholarship Fred Amafo bi o dama bi anka dama DC wo friend engineers ma won scholarship bibini on first scholarship ne mo be ka cho nyama na mo wa friend mo amemi community me baba ya assembly ma 6 years ni nipa go force for won scholarship we more than 70 makotimi community makotimi kwenti Tarkwa afi mbranaso amakasa mejina he onye da me ni watwabo ni enti no so scholarship bani watwabo fon kote na mede mo hon onto them ebi wo ha won chetiri man bi obi beti ba Freddy dase
okay mbacho chance
enti Tarkwa na kasa no oye baby a go force ni ha Tarkwa ye ni ho se go na dia oba me ye pa ne de se yene MP oye Sheikh Salifu Isa Taylor ma me ho na abokrope ena yene papa Wisdom Kuju Pristia Honi Valley do record no se wa fa una no antum oni aba na nkasa yes it na MPP for afa
I say honorable MP till na maintain nkasa
ente kasa Wisdom Kuju so ente kasa but Tarkwa hanom ye nyina ye nim de go for so kita Tarkwa wasa without go for no Tarkwa ente say yenya so fu bi no ba se boka cho de Tarkwa earthquake besia o chile go for burden obegu ama Tarkwa ase kra and the one wo dana kesa bebre wa hanin na go for workers wow esase a what to nyina go for workers Tarkwa developer Tarkwa do kokone nim no do na go for workers
okay
na wasi yam pam go for phone call ni fa ebibini fambra no broni no bone pa waye no one ne mo hen mana ka say so wona wo yejuma o man simi na bibi phone kotin
last time na me ba o makọ twice
e go to broni bia o
offices ni nyina ye
manager akrokra o ho no ma otini wa atwa mo papa wo fe no Uncle Paul Policia oye manager o ho
me yire ba ko bi o fi doma ai o ye ejuma o ho enti go force na nkasa na ekwa hone manager be sia Madam Catherine oye Ghana ni wono nya Ghana from pay Ghana from wo manage ejuma no na ejuma na America no ma menka bibi nchi ade kotu me wo fold am ka che ho nda bibi ni ntimi ye no go for timi ye card back o ka card back oye waste na eletri wotimi twi waste 3 years want to gold what you waste 3 years want to gold now what you work as ka o money project away the way ma companies your friend catchment communities mo way woni sika o se what you ma ban what you bibi ni ben e na ba kwa twi waste 3 years asa na bibi ni bia no ba ya da madwuma no it is yet na that's a ya hwe na nyina ya fa ya hu njim na ya nka nche hu the go first must stay that's you wanna was go first must go you di hu next dia no na dey amede me part o dey me play me play na echine bi semni ho a Tarkwa man wo dey akada ampa nso kada ma asemwe enti mayembra wasemo a wo kan ye na say so say nkofo bebre a mo ka say go fields enko ni ade no dodo na ebimo ususu say because yen say alleged say omo ye NPP for ede na wahu
yene Chief Justice ababesi no ko ye ma me tuko no okay bi o se de no o de wodan ejuma no wo de ma contractors antia setili that Chief Justice MPP the Chief Justice let's say wodan ejuma infama ebibini wa bra wo na wo ho na wa ban wo do awo na wa ban one plan wo be ejuma no de ma bibini na emu NDC wa ban be ne de what's one infama bibini na se ejuma no go 2-3 years time wa kada wo na ye ken On I want to be many if you know. Some because I remember my site work, me you mind me that.
Okay.
But my wako, meaning the way a humanity.
Okay.
Meaning the way a humano, or tea. And to your Juma Bibini, Betimaye, or Yadio Daho.
Wow.
Now go for a friend and a boss, my brother, no crack kind, bonsa tie, a Bifuji or whatever. I bought a glass factory, a Bifuji or whatever. Yes, I said, go for some fan come on. Now, I said, everybody, before one I said, also would be a good war. Also, go to it. Why do we didn't work to your word, Madrid, one area, and I say, look, I want to make you by force. Now, here's yet now on another better than you put 10 pets, one year, one was why you had to. And to make a friend at MPP will be back at MPP fully be to support there. On a day or but one hour at the master now, because my friends and press conferences been and same your call me, I'm confusing, meaning perfect way MPP for.
A bit is a wine on our movie.
My people came Nakasan there. Yes, only Nakasatu more. It's America, Masanaka case today. Hene honorable MP on Manhondo.
Okay.
Hene MP for Priscilla Hunival one hondo. Because Takwa for a dean or whatever. Takwa for why a dean or whatever. Say go for if we had a king, one tardy view. Already we could have been adverts. Man, catch you. One talk, now one or tardy. Myself, I know what I do.
Oh, yeah, it's true.
Myself, I know what I did. In your more how, in your more what to Kruma now, I mindful. Or China go for in Niwa, Takwa, in New Ho. It's one now. What is a cheap? What put go abandon any mass? No, I'm not me. What put go abandon any mass? Need my poly, Rose Ollie, Express Road. Share from a Tarkwa to Tarkwa Road here, why the Bodafo to 2. Or that's why you're bad. I mean, the money that go first a pair betting me good massy. Go first a pair betting me good massy. It's the Sramon. You're the Tarkwa demonstration time, Baba. You go buy your own papers, you're not.
Okay.
We are, you buy your advert. By 1 week and 2 weeks.
Okay.
And Sana, Takwa Funina Yeshia, will be about danger.
Okay.
I bet you talk black, but danger, and I bet you me plan the many t-shirt. Takwa said, you put 10,000 pound bumper, me plan the many t-shirt 10,000. Wow. Best there, idea, all the year, me chimma, because you're the major Mugua. A chimbani in Nara. And the human, more from me. When I you matter for go for honor woko. What you scholarships be brave, I go for the bank now. You matter for no. Cocoyon. At times one what put the beer, go for the woko. Attachment, go for. But I don't know, maybe I go for. It was the effort I'm going people. My man can't win fan to do. Near petrolling. Go for inside her. Na sisi ya njuma na kwa contract no engineers and planners na ukita machines ni sisi ya no go for it no one can say what's one machine wo di njuma or your production machine into a friend train obi.
Wow.
Or your production machine of train but first na njuma ni mother company na go for na ngasa what mine on adam no way training this will be no way training me or boys are training on that when you know what you mean but in the middle case go for what's what the GHS and when we GHS our what we call SS
okay
what penny 30 what one go school TTU what by one attachment will go force because when we them one why am painful said you won't be call but open that of man will be taking over and it is that of fun what shall now to university.
Wow.
After university what for now with me ho it is a obi call no damn of man why then what they shall on your Tarkwa
me be say me hwe ye hwe bibi kakra ewo ni watoabo go fields e dia na ni watoabo go fields etimi aye isi a odon se ti se de na obobo se eba no municipal ha se enu a ne ma bi a wo mo aye ene adena ya sabia ne eye no ni watoabo ebi obi beka se ene se honorable ye se kutu se ba me ye de ahye no enti na wote yi a okay. Ebi so na go o say
pompo nim dem tena ha
za o go fi so mu nim za o te ha okay enti ya hwe ni wato abo go fi buy ne ma pen ne ma be na o moye etimi di aboa as assembly member
bebremi
ya mobo the major you a dimu no na yenwe
from 2002 from 2002 to 2006 year 2026 year to me they be aware the from him
Okay, honorable Bacho. I think that you're not free back door. You better uncommon into the Bacho.
What's the construction of new Atwabo clinic? New Atwabo clinic near home. A one test can or go for from where my
okay.
Construction of new Atwabo primary school. It is an Anglican school no home school down Kakrakano is one in an one way.
And now the Uboso and the one.
I will be asking a mechanic. It's about new Atwabo.
Okay.
Catchment communities, your project away in a morning now.
Wow.
Nara Mifundo. A rehabilitation of new Atwabo town roads the on Mabodo. Now what Thai road now so what they am hen. Now me in Sua to new Atwabo me to be hono. On you said your number to you go first for two soon for no the man. It's a chronic train, maybe assembly man, and I made your mamma to Aquima, and soon as answer this sky then, or the brain, and I answer you 2-4, yes, answer the count.
Wow.
And it says soon we the 4 the Aquaman to be 8 or 4 no other than or
you go first for and as assembly member.
Yes, I manage it is still go first from Pona. Was you managing ye, sounds the one in Fasono, idiot to 4.
Wow.
And to go first for the when you are trouble crew na
meaning say o mo ye djuma the opposite
djuma wo ni wa ton abo papa
okay
okay school ko natikops school ke danka kraka no si woni na ICT center nyina wo go force from scratch nti wo to na nango o go force enti go force wo de o chere o nyama bebre o na be kita no bebre
okay nti me pese o summarize no Edian na wo kachre aban no wo se isi a wo ne ndisi aban and edele wo kachre ne direct edian na wo pese aban no eye
aban no de be share ne de ye share ne papa oye go force jumedia wo di Tarkwa ha se ye kede ye de ejuma de ma local contractor onye
okay
onya de obo Tarkwa fo because ejuma bebre wo Tarkwa krum hanum de ya onya ban no be ma hen bebre wo ye go force
okay
it is a go force kede wo free ha na wa ko be fufula anade wo pam ho ne frɛ no de bibi ne le ba onye ye because bibi fu ejuma hen ye hu bi da especially Tarkwa from Podenka onye de enke support aban no pokura wo bibia because Tarkwa for ye hu bi da ye boss atai wa ha we ogu ye ne abos glass factory wa ha we ogu na esanso ye behwe ma go force ase ne go se Tarkwa for hena na ya den ya ye nti esra ban member mfa ne sanka go force kura se lease ni kura so pay 20 years so obetima in 50 years am ho panka mepe
wow
but ensi sei bia owo ho a o fi de wo ko ema aban no ho to no ena catchment communities ena oman no Tarkwa nswayem wo ho to ho no odo de won tina fom
okay
won ho kan wansem e bia first no wo ma 1% foundation wo de 1% wo tum de won fan ye project ma communities no na say bi obetuma fine aban wo so mo 10% if the 10% ni so na be ma watuma fine ene won tina fom ene moment won tina fom kan wo ka de oyedin na won timi dia
okay
no na e be hu na akwan but there one year boni bia ne ne won tie Tarkwa go force every 3 months bia won mpinfo a wo Tarkwa krum ha catchment communities na wo meeting wo dwen ekuru no ho aba MTN for ha wo hia hende won ye ledwen Tarkwa krum ho da wo hia henda na wo won company
okay
eti yele sire abano go force dey mama on fanisa mfanka no
okay